said ye tie bia no de be kwa wie na me de kwa wie nso enye se me de kwa wie no makwa akotena ho me de kwa wie ya me kwa ba bi foforo yo mbehwe me makọ
Woman mo person omusu no omusu greedy ones no we continue to cry. My brother, my sister, these are the kind of people who should never be put in any public office. They will take bribes because all they think about is money, nothing else.
Blakk Rasta abe class with NDC Journalist Oheneba Boamah our TV SYZ. Efani nsemo a obeka nse an NDC for buy no omadidi agya no wa ya adwuma nyina enso e ba ketua mu no omadidi agya ntia ne obegya adwuma no na ogya so ngotena fie obe mu ba ko bi obegye no se wutumi TV agya na he obekọ anase asasre do begye na obekọ on this issue no Blakk Rasta abe mu bi na wa be fire Oheneba Boamah pap any all NDC communicators I say omo esu ese ai ana wahama baaye no omo position bia wahama baaye no omu didi jaye omo esika onye hwe no Blakk Rasta abe fa asem asa munyankwase akeka no munyankwase ade no obi azuma mo munyankwase ade de no ayi Penyah blog media mesro say ade obe like video no other one subscribe button so we go notification call for this update na be chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section na mesro wa so baso anu ahye video no ne so anya bi ahye enti enra no na eye hagea a no wo kana kwesem say NDC ombaye no maso no be no there masa line no
me ha me hu pam bre me hu ani en fa me credit in some credit en fa nkasa nchiro en kasa mo kwasi penny hu bia se ombra na me wie dia me hu me wie NDC for omu temu de omu ya beautiful makane na aka na ochina ma come NDC from Ghana my fighter NDC from Ghana me say some boa obi o wa dajo wo Ghana ko adwom kumase dom to my life ko bisa se wo hwa acheke wura ade na me ye NDC mo onabo Mubarak nti NDC nti me ma bo atwade anka me a me gina hoyi enye nyame de bo me yanka yekumi ya NDC echi ya ko ya wa ha ya wo platform ya ko foto from eyi obi na NDC bi kwa nu obeka ya hu se kwa mai platform so e kwa mo for fight mai san ko fo mo se ye hwehwe mo ne ye obibi mo mo kwa no kwa siafo emwa nyame shamuka ya credit ya sai ma mo no nyame shamuka kwa siafo beautiful nyakoponyi Ghana for free mu so
what I say na siam ya kamishe when was Oheneba Boamah so aba media say no so etiatem ebubom awon asem nyana say an NDC for almost sideline no through time campaign time na munyimu ye bamba ba mu no je say mo ye ma adwuma no ma ye ni nyina na ma ye no what I say wa ye adwuma ni nyina esu ba ye no mo didi aja no engineer hwe na hwe a obekọ ba bi say wuntu TV agina obekọ sasasro de bagina obekọ on this issue no e popia on the internet e ma social media for crowd no I reacted to that. I said netizens rose to this issue and they reacted to that. Said the Asɛm SCA. Na eba ye no ana Blakk Rasta say na for na Ghana ye koi. Then a journalist for ebo ma dwumu. How can you tell us say who as journalists why you human am a party have a power the party to pay you? Let's say did you work for Ghana or you work for your stomach? In fact, Blakk Rasta abe fire na nsempa de wake can be edatre Oheneba Boamah.
The side of the truth. That is why we keep saying we are the headquarters of the truth. And my name, Blakk Rasta. Now today we have a number of issues we want to look at, and I need you to come along. Now the very first story we are looking at today is taken from Ghana Web, and it says NDC journalist cries out over neglect. Says he will join a pro-NPP station if offered big money. I take it again. NDC journalist cries out over neglect. Says he will join a pro-NPP station if offered big money. And I read, now popular Ghanaian broadcast journalist and outspoken sympathizer of the governing National Democratic Congress, the NDC, Oheneba Boamah Beni, has voiced his frustration over what he describes as neglect by the party he has long supported. Now, speaking passionately during a broadcast on TV XYZ, Oheneba Boamah likened his role in the media to that of a professional footballer, emphasizing that loyalty has its limit when survival and well-being are at stake. Now, as long as I am a media personality, I am like a football player. If I play in your team and I am not happy, I will go to another team which is your opponent and play there and take good money. He said he expressed disappointment in the NDC government, accusing it of treating him as an outsider despite his vocal advocacy. Now, according to him, he expected better recognition and support from a government he consistently defended, especially during its time in opposition. Oheneba hinted at the possibility of switching allegiance if a better opportunity arises, even if it comes from a media outlet aligned with the opposition New Patriotic Party. He specifically mentioned Wuntumi TV or radio and Asasi Radio as potential destinations should they make an enticing offer. Oh, what a shame. And if you look at this guy, his stomach and his head, you know where he belongs. Food society. It's very sad, my brother. It's very sad. Oh, so now journalism is divided into NDC journalism and NPP journalism. I never knew that. Oh, what a shame to journalism in Ghana. Journalism has been factionalized. Oh my God. I am so disappointed, my brother. Now, the radio stations and TV stations that this gentleman mentioned, be ready. It is the same thing he's going to do to you. Anytime he feels that you are not treating him well. My brother, my sister. Now let us look at exactly what this gentleman is saying. Of course, I've seen him time and again talking vehemently and passionately for the NDC at the time that it was in opposition. Now the big question is, did he believe in the NDC or not? Or was he just doing it for his stomach? Was he doing it so that when the NDC came into power, at least he'll be recognized and given something to go and eat? If that was what he was doing, then we can't call that loyalty. Was he loyal to the NDC or was he loyal to Ghana? My brother, my sister, it hurts me when people talk like this. Now he's sitting on an NDC radio station, a radio station that has sympathies and allegiance with the NDC, and that is Radio TV XYZ. And all this guy is saying is that even though I sit on an NDC affiliated radio station, I am ready to move and join the opposition anytime I am offered money. So for him, the decider is the money. My brother, a man like that is very dangerous and useless. A man like that should never be, in fact, ever considered for broadcasting. These are people who will take money and sell out anything. These are the kind of people who encourage payola. These are the kind of people who have no respect for the truth. They only have respect for money. The highest bidder gets his so-called loyalty. He who feeds him will control him to go any direction he wishes. It's a shame. So what is XYZ doing? You still keeping this guy there? Do you have any regard for your radio station at all? Do you respect your listeners at all? This is a guy who has come out point blank to say, hey, as for me, it's all about money. Any radio station that pays me the money that I want, I join them no matter their ideology. I will sink in and go along with them. My brother, my sister, these are the kind of people who should never be put in any public office. They will take bribes because all they think about is money, nothing else. Akan people have a saying which I would like to share with you. Remember, I did not create this proverb. You see, obi enye ni kesiye da kwa. Obi enye ni kesiye kwa. Obi enye ni kesiye kwa. When you see a man most of the time, who is this fat? You should know what has made him fat. And this is not disrespect to anybody who has weight. I have weight myself. My brother, my sister, this is a man who is thinking about nothing but food. This is a man who is thinking about nothing but money. And a radio station stoops so low and goes in for this cheap guy, put him on radio, and all they want him to do is to support anything. Well, he mentioned some radio stations and he claims that these may be his destination. What a shame. And you'll be shocked that some Ghanaian radio stations will still go for this puppet and manipulate him. My brother, Oheneba, you are a shame to broadcasting. You are a huge disgrace to journalism. What a shame. He's not even embarrassed. He's not ashamed to say that, oh, as for him, it's all about money. Me, if you pay me well, I will come and join you. Whether you are opposition or you are incumbent, I don't care. I will come and join you. So what do you really stand for? Money? What do you really stand for? It's because of some of these people we are getting ready to retire and go and do something else. Maybe some farming in the village. Each and every day when I tune into radio and TV, my brother, my sister, I am totally embarrassed. The quality of radio is coming down so geometrically because of buffoons like this on radio. I am angry. Several years of journalism, several years of experience, and somebody is ready to take it with a case of cash, like Judas. This guy is the Judas of radio, Judas of journalism. What a shame. And what is Julius Deborah sitting down there doing? You have such a Judas on your radio station and you leave him there? Oh, Jesus. Should Mahama give everybody everything? Should he steal money for you? Should Mahama give everybody appointments? Oh, anybody who supported NDC must get an appointment. Anybody who coughed in one way or the other, my brother, my sister, should get an appointment. No, sir. It doesn't make sense. A lot of them who used to be our friends coming here day and night, my brother, my sister, whilst we strategize to bring them into power. Today, when you call them, you don't get them. But we pride ourselves in the fact that we supported Ghana and not the NDC. We pride ourselves in the fact that we supported the truth. Remember, we said we are not neutral. We have taken sides, the side of the truth. So if I know I am on the side of the truth, if I know I am on the side of Ghana, why should I be perturbed if a mere political party does not give me an appointment? If a mere political party does not put something on my table? It's a shame. Please, Julius Deborah, kick this buffoon out as soon as you can, or else it tells me what kind of radio station you are running, and it tells me what kind of journalist you are employing. I leave it here. If I mean to talk about this, my brother.
No. Mugabe so Mugabe Kevin Taylor Boamah efa nsɛm a ɔbɛkan no.
Juma, in opposition, obetimi a recognize you. We are saying when you be a more say menye den. Me money krono. Good name is better than riches. When my young Julius Deborah baby I will be me fraud that chain. I mean what you on your case.
And I want Ghanaians to know this today. Say Julius Debra, I am Nemame, and no Pukia. Onutina Mame Bay Juma Ewa SYZ Broadcasting. My many far phone or friend meno, meaning the deal common, and new 1 month to crown my many a day or 2 animal and zero. Many opportunity say, meaning share 1-on-1 say that. The footwear or kind, I want the back be say Bishop Ponso, and one name Kasaye. Money is not the end of everything on this land, though. Money is not the end of everything. Yeah, mabuno, you know, baby. My Mexican near Nimbebre. Choba, I don't want to mention the names. Uko and St. Jefford to what, and never go on Mufu for Swa. We am better than what was cement at one. A combat. The code the diabont no uniform. But it is time for us to set the record straight. Me as a general manager here, myself will be anywhere about 28 of every month. I need Pianica. Go to other radio stations and check. Will be a Juma 3-4 months when you get together. By her, under my leadership as a general manager of Power FM, what can be any be Pia Bontaka say 3 months. In Triaka. CEO Ebo Juma, Deputy CEO at 20 near my year. Nina share a pa at Daho. In opposition, Bessine. Woman will pursue Musu, greedy ones, no, won't continue to cry. Maybe to a mirror office be a beer kwa mammy. Because of your credibility, me from a phone and nam. Look at where I started. From Invisible FM, now in Share FM in Kumasi, Ash FM, Nanano FM, Radio Focus, London, Muntie, Radio Gold, TV Gold, Radio SYZ, Power FM, TV SYZ. Me from a phone and 90. Me baha menya 7 years. 2018, October 15th. Me 7 years munami. When my young for Julius Zebra, I mean, shall one way in a bush for. Umami in no poker, baby, or say behind your copon, or funny crazy. In my word, me battle, me third born or the Julius. Ipaya dia, or say ye. Ye be more have a fall and cruise a cop. Woman have 3-4 months, and no more try ampia. Baby, man, you be woman by a woman, or more try ampia. Baby, more qua or more try ampia. Never again. See, one and I'm Sunday now. Never again. Yes. So come on, move to my codino, baby, for. Never again. I'm sending the warning as a general manager of Power FM. Say never again. Be about you may be no contract to her. But so is one year Tranica. Will not allow any useless guys to come and sit here and destroy the name of the company. Like as if we don't have leaders. Maybe an armchair leader. I'm very powerful. Because I'm poor. It is over. Be a koso kama. Amemo no jo mama ba 6 months amemo no wo mo. Jo leza bra ba chief of staff ne 6 months no wo mo. Wo mo here pressure be every obi a. Let's keep on praying for them to succeed. So personal interest no is too much. It's too much. Yeah, metra no pane ya na kama na nwum na bi ma be seru. No. Yeah, metra twist sponsor say man na bi ma be seru. No. And what was is enough. Yes. I'm speaking as a management member and general manager. Me, I'm okay. emu ba ya no omo na form na ba e ebi omo da 4x4 mu nipa ya dia wosaye ye greedy guys you should be careful me say nipa ya dia wo yedan wosaye ye when you na ya me say ni din if you want to go no one is chasing you want to go leave don't come and sit here and talk nonsense we are not ready for that. Without Mugabe, this station ever move on. Without Mugabe, me sitting here, the station will move on. Kaba free, Kaba wui, Asempa, Eda so kosu. And then Mugabe knew why SYZ will exist. Station be amekobi amenya person mekumnya. Look at the guys I've trained. Samoa Hunto, Boache. Go, just name them. And bisa many omuntam see they sit here. Very, very cordial. Me ko kumase my colleagues, ya me no more radio mono. Ya to said the share come problem be any.
Tell your mama our comments when this for you to share that mountain. So what is your view on that? I Penyah block me. I wait for Tirawaje Amame. Our comment you say could to save background.